Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Taurus placements. This is your general and love reading energies surrounding, ngayong May. Okay? Syempre, pagdating sa placements mo. Yes. And, yeah, Taurus placements. Syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And yeah, hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer kay Kuya Dingsi po tayo pwedeng mag-message. And yes, don't forget to follow our 2 YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Okay? And yeah, kung may tanong pagdating sa ating mga items, yeah, they're all available. Yung ating Granter necklace is made to order. Okay? So, made to order si Granter. So, yung love bracelet natin, I think, meron pang stock. Oo, meron pa. And, itong ating, ang tawag ito, cord cutting. So, yeah, Evil Eye Protection is available. Yung ating ring, this is adjustable. Yung ring natin. Ring, yung dalawa nating sample ng bracelet, yung garteries and the adjustable. So, yung adjustable is available in red strings. So, meron din itong initial na inilalagay. Initial nung magmamay-ari. And yung ating necklace. So, if you're into necklace, so yan. Ganyan siya. This is unisex, by the way. And yeah, non-tarnish and hypoallergenic. So, meron siyang blue stone doon sa center. Hindi lang mabigyang justice. Pero, yeah, this is nice in person. Okay, so, yeah. Yung ating love bracelet is pwede sa singles. Pwede rin sa yung sobrang daming conflict. Sa kanilang mga karelasyon sa situation. Anyway, so Taurus, that's for you in general. Excuse me. Ngayong May, energies coming in. Ano bang meron for Taurus placements? Okay. Taurus. Taurus. Okay. King of Swords. Transactions. Online transactions or yeah, some of you may mga papeles na pipirmahan, I think. Legalizations. Yeah, death. Some of you, this is like ending of a contract, some of you. Pero there's this renewal, yeah, the Six of Cups. Renewal, oo. So, may nakikita ko dito. This is like energy of pagdating sa promotion, okay? Sa paganda naman. Actually, excuse me. So, ending of a legal issue. Some of you, this may. Yeah. Yung iba dito, this is like family issue, kung ano man. What else? Taurus. Strength. Let's see that. Two of Wands, universe. Being open. Okay. Lots of opportunities coming in this May. Meron kayong babalikan something or parang sabihin natin aasikasuhin muli na pwedeng sabihin natin hindi na pag-focusan itong mga nakaraan na buwan, taon. Parang may babalikan something. Okay? Some of you, I'm hearing pregnancy. Yeah, magta-try na mag-conceive this month. Okay? Some of you. Yeah, the Three of Pentacles. May chance kasi dito ng dapat pareho kayo ng gusto. Okay? I'm hearing brainstorm. I don't know kung ano yun. Yeah, brainstorm pagdating sa work, maybe. Somebody will get your opinion. Pagdating sa isang plano. I'm hearing good cooperation this month of May. Good cooperation, collaboration, some of you, partnership, offers. Okay? I'm hearing meetings. Closed door meetings. Parang mga ganyan. Okay? May hingi ng advice mo pagdating sa business, I think, or kukunin kanyang partner. May ganun. What else? New ideas, new assets this May. Six of Cups. I'm sensing some of you will unblock a person. Okay? Na pwedeng binlock mo. You'll unblock somebody this May. Yeah. Two of Cups. 6 and 8. I don't know. 6 and 2 of Cups. It's 8 of Cups. A reunion. Reunite by May. Some of you, ikaw itong pwedeng makita yung matagal mo nang hindi nakikita ang kaibigan. Pwedeng mangumusta, mag-reach out, somebody na pwedeng matagal mo nang hindi nakakausap. In general. May chance na magkita kayo this May. Yeah. Yeah, the Three of Cups universe. Some of you, pwedeng may makakaayos kang kaibigan. Okay, that's specific. Ang daming energy dito about paayos, about connections. Okay, this May for you. Four of Wands inversed. Yeah. Pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng kung sino man to nakikitain mo. Some of you, this is your past. This is your ex. Yeah. Water sign. Could be a water sign or fire sign. Could be an aqua. Yeah, the sun. Unexpected. A surprise, maybe. An invitation for some of you. Pagdating sa isang marriage. Occasion. Could be. Okay, so I'm hearing celebration this May. Birthday, could be birthday. Okay. Pwedeng may imbitahan ka. I don't know. Or ikaw ito. Yeah, pwedeng ikaw. Excuse me. I don't know. Kung ikaw nga. Pero, yeah, nasa circle mo lang to. Some of you, I'm hearing travel, vacation, okay, together with your family, maybe your friends, colleagues, maybe, anyway, so there, yeah. So, ano naman meron pagdating sa love? Energies, okay. Energy is about love. na pwedeng dumating ngayong May for Taurus placements. Separate video pagdating po sa person on your mind. Maybe gagawa ko ng ibang video about that. Okay, so let's see anong parating ngayong May pagdating sa inyo, mga Taurus. Okay, energies about love for Taurus this coming May. Okay, the Emperor in reverse. What's with this? Some of you might be dealing with an Aries, a Hierophant, Taurus. Yeah, this is you. Some of you may be being open dito sa isang taong, I think, hindi ready. And ikaw itong magko-commit. Yeah. Or maybe you're still open dito sa person na to. I don't know. Some of you, pwedeng nanay or tatay ito ng anak mo. Pwedeng may anak kayo. Magiging open ka pa rin. Or maybe you're still expecting from them. The Four of Pentacles, universe. Excuse me. Some of you may chance na pwedeng magkakaroon ng isang pag-uusap or I don't know, some of you pwedeng may usaping legal na pwedeng mangyari sa inyo para may maganda na flow. I don't know, kasi some of you meron ditong energy ng ang tawag dyan, responsibilities pagdating sa mga anak. So pwedeng may mangyaring kasulatan, ganto, ganyan pagdating sa anak. Some of you ganun. Okay, yeah, the Three of Cups. And yeah, Ten of Pentacles. So this is talking about money, related. Anyway, Ten of Swords. So some of you may mga usaping legal dito patungkol sa mga mahalaga, no? Some of you, kung hindi man ito anak, this is talking about mga bagay na pwedeng nasa pangalan ninyo pareho, okay, under ng pangalan ninyo. Pwedeng may mapapagkasunduan dito. Yeah. Tit. Okay. If you're separated naman may chance na pwedeng hatiin kung ano man ang meron. Gawing money. Parang ganyan I don't know. Okay. And I think kung ano man to, like anything legal issue na meron sa inyo, may gagawa naman ng tama. Okay? Magagawa ng tama, may ibibigay ko anong mga dapat ibigay. Yeah. Child support for some of you. Yeah, I'm hearing child support. Ito, this is specific. Some of you, pwedeng asawa mo is somebody somebody na talagang nag-work sa government, may makukuha kang money. I'm hearing a sundalo. Okay? Yeah. Ten of Swords in reversed. Anyway, sa pag naman to, magiging okay kung ano man yung mga legal na issue meron kayo. Okay? Some of you may chance ng pag-step up ng isang tao, ng isang kakonek pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Like, magiging responsible sila. Yeah. I'm hearing din this month of May na pwedeng may darating na parang tingin mo red flag, pero they are green flag. They are a green flag. Okay? So, what else? What else for Taurus? Some of you, I heard water sign. Maybe you're dealing with the water sign dito sa sitwasyon na kukunin natin. So, what's for you? What else? What else for Taurus? The Five of Pentacles. Situation could be Five of Pentacles. The Two of Cups in reverse. Okay. So, may separation. May umalis. Okay. Two of Cups in reverse. Pwedeng sa dahilang hindi na ganoon ka-strong yung emotion for you or ikaw sa kanya. The Hermit. May nag-isolate. Meron ditong nag-ghost or bigla na lang nawala. I don't know. So, I'm hearing something na parang matagal na tong nangyari. So, anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Iba sa inyo, pwedeng ikaw pa rin itong naghahanap or nagiging needy pagdating sa kanya, if ever. No? Okay? The Three of Wands. Yeah, somebody's still expecting, still waiting. Meron ditong talagang hindi na nagjowa, no? Because of this. Or talagang sablay lang ng sablay. Pero, ang kailangan mong malaman dito sa taong to. Some of you, kung sino man to, na parang nakaka-apekto sa'yo ngayon, in general, kailangan mo na talaga itong ialis or isurrender. Okay? Masyado nang apektado buhay mo. Yeah, see? The Ten of Wands. Burden na. Okay? Pasanin na to. Kung hindi mo alam. Some of you, iniaalis ko na rin naman yung sarili ko from this, pero I'm still expecting. So, hindi natin maluloko yung energy, hindi natin maluloko yung frequency. Yes. So, kung anong frequency mo, yun ang darating sa'yo. Yun ang babalik. Kahit sabihin mong okay na ako, kahit sabihin mong healed na ako, kahit sabihin mong hindi ko na siya kailangan, hindi naman doon natingin si universe. No? Hindi siya doon natingin, hindi siya doon nakikinig. Doon sa frequency po natingin. Okay? So, it's time for you to surrender. Okay? To surrender para sabihin natin, start fresh, start new, with clean, fresh slate. Okay? Sabi. Hindi ko alam. Oo. So, if you're still waiting for this someone who ghosted you, wala pa rin po ako nakikitang energies coming from them na pwedeng reach out if ever ngayong May. So, lalo ka lang malulugmok kung ikaw itong parang hihintayin mo ng hihintayin kung sino man ite. Okay? So, yeah. May nang ghost, yes. Or parang hinihingian mo ng dahilan or rason kung bakit may nangyaring pag-iwan sa'yo. Okay? Well, wala eh. Wala akong nakikitang reply. Wala akong nakikitang paliwanag coming from that person. So, let's see. All signs. Excuse me. Yeah, again, the person on your mind. Separate video po. Okay? So, let's see. Aries through Pisces. Aries. Burden. Taurus. Jealousy. They're jealous, some of them. Gemini. They're mirroring you. Cancer. They want to take risk, some of them. Leo. They want relationship. They want a stability with you. Some of them, they will put effort. They will exert effort pagdating sa situation. Virgo, their back is turned. Some of them, kung nilalayuan ka ni Virgo, nandun rin yung parang gusto niya magpahabol. Libra, hindi pa nakaka-move on si Libra. Some of them, they're sad, confused. Okay? Pero yeah, they're silent. Scorpio, they love you actually. Some of them, may chance na mag-express ng kung anong emotions nila for you. Sagittarius, there's this energy about delays. They want to say something pero maybe they're not ready to tell you. Capricorn, okay, they want you. Andun yung sabihin nating obsession. Pumapasok yung energies like selfishness. Kasi parang gusto niya kanya ka lang. Parang ganun. Itong si Capricorn. I don't know. Ano ba sinabi ko? Capricorn or Aqua? Capricorn to. I'm sorry. Naguluhan ako. Anyway, so Aqua, wala pa silang plano na totally lumayo sa'yo. Like, they're still attached. Okay? They're still, sabihin natin, not ready. Yeah. To move forward without you, maybe. Pisces, some of them, they will strike you a message. They will send you a message. Yeah, they want conversation with you. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Taurus placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!